Hello, this is SPI Logistics, and in this video, we're diving into one of the most important but often overlooked parts of running a freight brokerage: accounting, taxes, and financial planning. If you want long-term success, you can't just move loads, you need to master your numbers. Independent freight brokers often juggle everything: sales, operations, carrier relationships, and the finances. Without a solid financial system, it's easy to fall into cash crunches, miss tax deadlines, or overlook deductions. The good news? With the right tools and planning, you can stay compliant, save money, and even build wealth for the future. The first step is getting your accounting foundation right. Choose reliable software like QuickBooks, Xero, or TMS integrated tools. Create a chart of accounts tailored for a brokerage. Track revenue, expenses, and margins with accuracy. Next, let's talk about taxes. Independent brokers can deduct a variety of business expenses like home office, software, load boards, insurance, mileage, marketing. Stay on top of quarterly estimated taxes for IRS and state. Submit payments on time to avoid penalties. To truly understand your business health, review your profit and loss statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement regularly. These reports help you see trends, identify overspending, and make better decisions. Building a realistic budget ensures you're not just reacting month to month, but actually planning ahead. Freight markets are cyclical. Set aside funds for an emergency reserve. Handle slow months or unexpected costs without stress. Analyze costs to reduce waste while keeping service quality. Finally, financial planning isn't just about today, it's about the future. Explore retirement plans like SEP IRA or SOLO, 401k. Reinvest profits to build brokerage equity for future sale. Keep personal and business finances separate for clarity. When you manage your accounting and taxes properly, you gain peace of mind, avoid legal issues, and maximize profitability. More importantly, you create a strong financial foundation that allows your brokerage to grow without constant stress. Of course, the challenge is that many brokers feel overwhelmed by the complexity of taxes, reporting, and planning. And without expert guidance, it's easy to miss deductions, underpay estimates, or struggle to interpret financial data. The good news is that solutions exist. Work with specialized accountants or tax advisors in the transportation industry. Use modern accounting software with automation to simplify invoicing, reporting, and payments. Stay consistent with record keeping, like holding receipts, invoices, and tax documents for several years. With these systems in place, you'll stay compliant and profitable while preparing for long-term success. Building a freight brokerage isn't just about moving freight, it's about building financial strength. With smart accounting, clear tax planning, and long-term financial strategies, you'll set your business up for growth and stability. That concludes this episode of SPI Logistics. Subscribe for more insights on scaling, profitability, and financial success in freight brokerage.